Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're suffering from stress, anxiety, or constant overthinking, just half a tablespoon of this ancient herb can help you feel calmer and more relaxed. Say goodbye to sleepless nights and mood swings. Meet Ashwagandha, also known as Indian ginseng, a powerful adaptogen that has been used for centuries to reduce stress, improve mood, and boost overall well-being. Say goodbye to sleepless nights and emotional exhaustion. Ashwagandha is nature's gift for stress relief and emotional well-being. Let's explore how this powerful remedy can transform your mental health. Benefits of Ashwagandha for anxiety and depression reduces stress and anxiety. Ashwagandha helps lower cortisol levels, the stress hormone, reducing anxiety and promoting a sense of calm. Studies show it can decrease stress by up to 44%, fights depression and lifts mood. This herb enhances serotonin and dopamine, your body's happy hormones, helping to combat depression and improve overall emotional well-being. Improves sleep quality. If stress and anxiety keep you awake at night, Ashwagandha promotes deep relaxation and restful sleep, making you feel refreshed in the morning. Enhances brain function and memory feeling mentally drained. Ashwagandha boosts cognitive function, focus, and clarity, making it easier to stay productive and positive throughout the day. Balances hormones and supports energy levels. It regulates thyroid and adrenal function, preventing fatigue and keeping you energized without the crash of caffeine. Side effect Ashwagandha. While generally safe, some people may experience mild stomach upset if taken on an empty stomach, drowsiness when taken in high doses, lower blood pressure, not recommended for people with low BP, not safe for pregnant women. Consult a doctor before use. How to use Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha powder. Take 1/2 to 1 teaspoon, daily mix with warm milk, water, or honey before bedtime. Ashwagandha. Capsules, gas, tablets. Take 300 to 600 milligrams per day. Best consumed after meals for better absorption. Ashwagandha. Tea. Boil 1 teaspoon of ashwagandha powder in a cup of water. Simmer for 5 minutes. Strain and enjoy. Ashwagandha is a natural way to fight stress, improve mood, and boost brain function. If anxiety and depression are holding you back, this herb might be the solution you need. Try it and let us know your experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural remedies.